Hi. My name is Puri.
I am Rit.
I'm Brock.
I'm Kessely.
And I'm Reese. And today, we are going to watch the trooper joins high-speed pursuit on DWI driver in Chevy Avalanche. Mine is 90 mph pit maneuver, ASP, video, so that video will be so funny. Anyways, let's watch it.
Y'all, I guess.
I reckon. Wow. He saw it leaning, and then by the time we got pulled over, it come off up on the road.
Dang.
We're doing better than us right now.
On the phone, please. Okay, what do I know?
D13-4C.
D13.
What do you got?
D1037, 256 eastbound, Chevy Avalanche, they took a taser.
10-4, traffic.
10-4. D13, cruiser only at 88, he's in the fast lane. D13, what's this in corner? County is 1037 eastbound on I-40.
D13, get on at the 256 east.
Is close to 16. 13, if you get up into it, remember that he's got his paper. D3, it fell off in the road somewhere.
13-4C, 3 direct.
Oh my gosh, he is going fast.
Passing the 260. 260. Taser 90 in the back one. 10-4 to 16 up.
13's passing the 259.
10-4 to 13, that's what 259. D3, wasn't that correct? Once it gets in it, 10-4. 13, there's a female in the passenger seat as well.
10-4, yeah, I seen you when you came by me.
Oh, the suspect is riding about 128 miles per hour and gets away with it.
Catch him. He is about to get tased. Ooh, he is going to get tased in his butt. He is going to get arrested.
Hey!
On the right shoulder. Passing on the inside shoulder.
I'm in. Speed's 120.
Speed 120.
6610.
616. That's slow roll.
13's primary.
13 primary.
Oh gosh, 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 he's gonna...
I'll kill you! You better fucking stop!
What the heck? Police officers hit the stupid truck and speeds up into 128 miles per hour in the highway and tries to shoot somebody police officer. Oh my gosh. He's so much trouble for this.
He's so busted for escaping arrest. He is now going to get tased by the officers and showing his hands up in the air.
That's so funny. He's being an attitude with these officers for driving about a 128 miles an hour for escaping.
He's riding all around the cars and then almost hit so many cars. And that's how he was guilty.
He shouldn't even do that.
Give me your fucking hands. You're a fucking idiot. Yeah, play that game now. Get the fuck up. Get up. I just seen you run. Get up. Get the fuck up. You're a fucking idiot. Oh, you're just running? Yeah, that ain't working. You're going to jail. Put her in cuffs, too. I'm sure you did. Y'all got stopped, didn't you? D13 Forest City, 1015 with the driver.
10-4, 10-15.
Oh, we ain't talking no more. Get your ass up. Get up.
I didn't do nothing. I told him to stop.
Get up.
I ain't never been in no trouble.
Oh, y'all in trouble today?
I ain't do nothing.
Where y'all coming from?
I was riding with him.
Where y'all coming from?
I was in Memphis.
Where y'all from?
Memphis, Tennessee, that one.
Oh, yeah, y'all in Arkansas. Get up here in this car.
I'm gonna get up there. I ain't gonna do nothing wrong.
Don't y'all know nothing?
I didn't do nothing. I told them to stop.
Sit right there.
Okay. I promise I told him to stop me.
13 Forest City.
13.
I had no damage. 1015 times 2. You put in that.
Please stop. You need to stop. Why you doing this? I ain't gonna do nothing wrong, mister. You ain't got to hurt me. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
What y'all got in the car? I smell weed off both of you.
He was smoking a blunt.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't
Come on.
doing that. So I just ride with him. That's all. I don't even know why he came up here. I don't know nothing. I told him
Man.
to stop.
Hang on.
Okay.
Hang on, just step back here.
I ain't no man. I ain't never been in trouble, mister.
You're in trouble today.
But I didn't do nothing. I didn't
Sit.
do anything. I couldn't sit down. I couldn't like these no problem.
13 to 3. D13, D3. We're about 10-4. My car's got no damage. The roadway's clear. Ten 4C, you can start at 10-11. Negative, sir. Mine is 10-4. Stop and restart.
Well then, thank you for watching the police chase video in Interstate 40 and Highway Tennessee, but please comment down below as you see this bad suspect. And thank you for watching.
See you soon.